In this video we're going to make a beautiful souvlaki using the pork, lemons and a few more ingredients. And we're going to serve it with the beautiful tzatziki that we're going to make also, and flatbread that is already done. So, let's start by marinating the pork, and after that, working on the tzatziki. For the souvlaki itself, I'm using neck of a pork. It's very nice because I really like the combination of 50-50 fat and meat in it. And when you sear it on the grill or in the pan, if you do it at home, you know, it's going to be very nice and tender. You can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use lamb, and if you're using something different, make sure to let me know in the comments below. So, we have here already lemon juice that I squeezed and lemon zest. The lemon zest, we're going to do it 50-50. Half of it will go to the marination of the pork and half of it will go into the tzatziki. Because the tzatziki itself, you know, it's yogurt, it's already loose. We don't want to add the lemon juice to the yogurt and make it more looser. We want to keep the yogurt as thick as possible and not make it looser, you know, so we're going to use just the lemon zest for it, half of it, and the other half will go to the marination. We're going to take our beautiful piece of pork and cut it into cubes. In a bowl, separate, we're going to create the marinade for the meat. For that, we will need olive oil, salt, nice amount, black pepper, the lemon juice, and lemon zest. Half of it, the other half will go into the tzatziki that we're going to make. Now we're going to take beautiful mountain oregano, that usually I'm buying from Amazon. You can find the link in the description below. I'm going to take all of the oregano off. Then we're going to take 2 cloves of garlic out of 3. 1 will go into the tzatziki and 2, like 1.5. It's like 1 big, 1 small. We're going to crush, chop, make it a type of puree and add it to the marinade. So when everything is in the bowl, take a spoon and mix it. The smell already amazing. So we're going to take our pork and marinate for 3 to 4 hours, sitting in the fridge. Meantime, we can start work on the pita bread. I'm going to leave you a link here how to make the nice flatbread for this souvlaki, and on the tzatziki. Add it to the bowl and press it a little bit. Beautiful. For the tzatziki, we're going to use very nice Greek yogurt, plain, no, without added sugar or stuff like that. Look for something without any added stuff to it. Try to look for a cucumber that it's more tough than soft, because the softer the cucumber, the looser the tzatziki is going to be at the end point. So we're going to shred the cucumber and the garlic on the fine side of the shredder and mix it with the other ingredients with a little bit olive oil. So come closer, take a look. To this, we're going to add a little bit olive oil, rest of the oregano, lemon zest, pepper, salt, and the yogurt. And mix everything. When the meat is already rest for 2 to 3 hours in the marinade, we're going to start skewering it. Again, the skewers, put them in water so the wood is not going to start separating the moment you're going to start skewering the meat. And we're going to sear it on a pan. After searing it in the pan, we're going to finish it in the oven. So you can already preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. So come closer, take a look. I'm using red onion, but you can do it with the bell pepper or like tomatoes, but I prefer not to do it with tomatoes because we have enough acidity here from the lemon. And we're going to sear the meat now with a little bit oil. I think we can start. Make sure you don't have a fire alarm on and you have a good ventilation, otherwise it's going to be a disaster. also. So we're doing it on 9 out of 9. We really want to give it a really nice charred color. And when it's done, put it on the rack. Beautiful. So when you have a very nice color on them, again, the pan, take outside, it's going to start smoking and everything. So before they go to the oven, olive oil and into the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Meantime, we can start putting the tzatziki into a bowl and also warming up the flatbread.